MotorWeek 90, television's automotive magazine, with your host, John Davis.
Well, hello and welcome again to MotorWeek 90. We're glad to have you with us. Car companies sometimes strive to create an aggressive image for their products, but not Hyundai. They wanted their Excel to be the thinking driver's economy car, frugal to buy, economical to own, and steady on the go. Much to their chagrin, buyers have turned the Excel into something of an urban gorilla. An Excel without body damage in many northeastern cities is as rare as a street without potholes. So Hyundai has responded with this all-new Excel. While loyal to its original goals, it is beefed up in every way. But is it ready for those who must win their daily street battles and still stick to a budget? The original Hyundai Excel was the best-selling new import car in U.S. history. This latest Excel is meant to repeat that performance and to recover the market share lost during the industry-wide downturn in auto sales. To that end, the Excel has been given a new exterior, a rounder, smoother look, much like its bigger Sonata brother. While less distinctive than the original body, it fits easily in among the current crop of Oriental economy cars. The Excel's body has also been filled out with more flush glass and sound-deadening materials added to reduce noise. With a 69 decibel interior noise measurement at highway speeds, however, we found little difference between the old and new. EPA mileage ratings are 29 city, 36 highway. We got a healthy 34 miles per gallon. The larger, rounder body shell means that interior space grows by 3 cubic feet. There's also a new interior that, while more modern looking, fails to improve on the previous Excel's discount choice of dash and seat materials. Seating in our GL grade test car comes in the form of cloth-covered buckets. They're fairly well padded and provide decent back support, but our long-legged staff members found thigh support to be lacking. Safety equipment consists of door-mounted passive belts similar to those used by Volkswagen and General Motors. What gauges there are large and easy to read, but the lack of a tachometer on our GL model and the empty space left by its exclusion makes the cluster look a little too basic. GS and GLS Excels do get a tach. Dash controls are large and clearly marked with the usual plugs and dummy switches. We like the ventilation controls, which consist of well-marked, easy-to-use rotary dials. Driving music in our GL comes from an optional AM/FM cassette deck. Sound quality is good, but the low dash position and busy controls make it hard to use while driving. Interior storage space is plentiful and includes a handy slide-out tray under the front passenger seat. Rear passenger space is also generous, fitting even our tall staff members comfortably. A 60-40 split seat back is standard. But our favorite space is the Roomy Trunk. There's a low liftover for easy loading and a wide, flat luggage area. At the other end of the Excel, the Mitsubishi-designed 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine is new and sports multi-point fuel injection that boosts power output 20% to 81 horses. Torque is also up to 91 pound-feet. This allows the Excel to reach 60 miles per hour in a very respectable 11.3 seconds. The quarter mile runs out in 18.1 seconds at 75 miles per hour. The engine is peppy with plenty of low and mid-range power, but like so many EconoBox engines, it buzzes and rattles when asked to make power quickly. The 5-speed manual shifter's long, rubbery throws also feel rather inexpensive. Acceleration runs were also hampered by a clutch that reacted slowly to driver input. A more positive unit would probably trim acceleration times considerably. Hyundai has adjusted the Excel's four-wheel independent suspension to improve handling, but the heavy front plow and loose tail show that it still has a way to go before it can catch many of its competitors. Body roll is substantial, and the heavily boosted power steering sends little information back to the driver. This isolation can be unnerving during emergency maneuvers when you most need to know what the car is doing. Braking fares better, with the front disc rear drum combination bringing the car down from 60 in a good average distance of 129 feet. Like many EconoBoxes, there is some lockup, but a responsive pedal makes it easy to keep the Excel under control. Out in the daily grind, the Excel acquits itself well with a fairly smooth ride that does a good job of soaking up the bumps. Price-wise, the base Excel 3-door starts at $5,899. Our 4-door GL begins at $7,879. With options, it rolls off the showroom floor at $9,444. That's less than a comparably equipped Ford Escort LX. The Ford offers better performance than the Hyundai, more luggage space, and a more luxurious interior. It also has more distinctive styling. The Toyota Corolla LE is also a better performer than the Excel, but costs a lot more. Its interior is also superior. It has more trunk space, but lacks the Hyundai's folding rear seat back. In our safety check, the Excel passes with rear shoulder belts, but like almost all economy cars, it lacks either driver or passenger side airbags and has no anti-lock brakes. Our list of hits starts with the Excel's price. It's still one of the lowest around. We're also impressed by the excellent gas mileage, interior room, large trunk, smooth ride, and improved acceleration. On the miss list, we place the slow clutch, overboosted power steering, rubbery shifter, and lackluster interior materials. The Hyundai Excel may not be the Econobox equivalent of a Rolls-Royce, but it offers what a lot of drivers need: basic transportation at a basic price. This was the key to Hyundai's original success, and it should keep the company firmly entrenched in the U.S. market throughout the 90s.